Hi guys, on this video I'm going to show you how to install OpenCV using CMD or command prompt. So the first thing that you need to do, go to Windows, right click, then you go to command prompt. So when you get to command prompt, the first thing that you need to be aware of, you need to make sure that you need to make sure Python and pip are installed. That's the first thing that you need to know. So if you don't have a Python software, you need to check the video where I show how to install Python software because it comes with a pip. So the first thing that you need to do on this video, we need to check if the Python, what type of, which version of Python are we using. So you say Python and you say version. So we are using Python 3.11.2. So then we need to check the pip, so PIP, say yes, we type that, we say enter. So we're using pip, mine is pip 2.3.0. Maybe your Python might be different, the pip might be different, but it doesn't matter. But if you don't have Python, just check the video where I show how to install Python. Okay, the second step, you install OpenCV, and it can be installed using pip. So you need to have pip, pip, say install OpenCV, OpenCV Python. There is OpenCV for C++, there is OpenCV for Python. So it's OpenCV for Python. So we are installing the OpenCV for Python. So I already installed mine. So, but let me say enter. Let me click enter. Let me do this. Let's say enter. Okay. So it's mine is already installed already. So that's why it shows this message of requirement already satisfied. So yours will be installing on the PC. So make sure before you install OpenCV, you have Python on your computer. You have Python and pip. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.